Hi everyone, welcome to the tutorial on searching landmarks. So we added a new search capability for landmarks and I just thought I'd create a short video showing you all about it. If you go up to the lat long box, you can still put in coordinates in here and press enter and it'll go to those coordinates. But if you click this magnifying glass next to it, it activates it and makes it yellow. And now you can actually search in here for things that you might not know where they're located. So I just searched for Gale Crater and I like it, so I'm going to click on it. And you can see it brings me straight to Gale Crater, which is very cool. This X box is a clear out box. So say I want to search for something else, I can clear that out. It'll give you a list of things to look through if you're not sure what it is. Say you know it's Olympus Mons. You start to type it and it'll look it up for you. It found it right here. You click it and it brings you to Olympus Mons, which is all very cool and easy access. If you want to get out of here, you just click the magnifying glass and it'll deactivate and it'll bring you back to this lat long box, and now this lat long box is re-enabled. So it's a neat functionality that I enjoy a lot and I hope you guys do as well. Thanks. Bye.